back to the Man on the Machine, and this is Supercars and Brunch. Kizzer in the middle, about to start this thing up. We just want to hear it, Kizzer. Justin, GT3 Hours, John, hey, Joe, GT Car Joe, Nathan, Unspeakable, Ali. Still got the paper plates, space plates. Argon, whatever. You know what color this is?
It's revving it right now. This is what McLaren sound like when you rev them.
How does it sound?
Like this, revving.
That's how McLaren sound.
It's in hybrid mode right
but
now.
They're fast.
How fast are they, Steve? This one goes 108, I think. 108 kilometers per hour.
Nobody got arrested. When you're Kizzer, you don't settle for stock. You settle for loud exhaust. Mike. We're good. All right, we are about to run that 720. McLaren 765 LT, yeah, and the 720, yeah.
There you go.
I'm gonna give it a do there. All right, 765 LT versus that 720 tuned. This is my first time. Sorry for the language. This is my first time in the 765 LT, and that thing, I think I lost my heart. My heart's in my gut. Wow, dude, this thing is fast. Holy smokes, you know, I know you've been saying it's fast, but jeez.
Really fast.
Incredibly fast. Oh wait, we weren't ready yet. Ready? 1, 2, 3. well, there were cars here, but you'll see a little bit of the B-roll that we had. Another Supercars and Brunch hosted by Events Marketing. Make sure to check them out on Instagram. Nice IDS collab, well, not collab, but they're pretty much hand in hand. And IDS Mike got a new toy, 765LT, plus the Mclaren Senna. Oh my gosh, I'm jealous, 100%. But we have great cars, always have great cars show up to these events. Good music, good donuts, I had two. Don't be judging me on my diet. McLaren's back there, Perf right there. But this video was short and fun. All right, we out. I gotta get a thumbnail and then I'm out. Late.
Racing, it's life. Anything that happened before or after